Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the back camera on the Google Pixel for a 5G mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. The first step is the LCD screen removal from the front. To remove the screen, it needs to heat gently around the screen edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the front screen side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once you feel the heating is enough, use a suction cup to lift the screen. And then insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the LCD screen. And also, we are using isopropyl alcohol to dissolve glue on the screen edges. Be gentle in this process and cut the adhesive using a car pry tool. Next, lift the screen gradually to about 90-degree angle from the top. And then pull out the LCD connector bracket by using a tweezer. Next, disconnect the LCD connector to free the screen from the body. Next, eject the SIM tray. Next, undo 9 screws on the mid-frame plate. Next, to pull out the mid-frame plate with the body, use a plastic car pry tool or triangular picker. And then run through between the back housing and mid-frame plate to release the plastic clips. When separating the back housing, be gentle with flex cables. Next, While placing the back cover on the surface, slightly place the mid-frame body on the housing. Be gentle in this process. Next, take out the logic board bracket by undoing 7 screws. Next, disconnect the battery plug. Next, disconnect the fingerprint button and flash sensor plugs from the board, and then release the back cover from the body. Next, disconnect and pull out the front camera. Next, disconnect and take out the headphone jack. Next, take out the speaker by undoing 3 screws and loosening the adhesive. While pulling, be gentle. The antenna board may attach to the speaker. Separate it and pull out the speaker. Next, disconnect the antenna board plug from the logic board. Next, gently pull out the logic board. Be gentle with flex cables. Next, apply heat to soften the adhesive under the camera. Next, pry the network into 2-in-1 rear camera unit from the body. Next, place the new rear camera unit on the body. Next, gently place and secure the logic board on the body. Next, connect the antenna board plug. Next, secure the speaker with the antenna board by adding 3 screws. Next, secure the headphone jack. Next, connect the front camera. Next, maintain the back housing to 90 degrees and then secure the fingerprint and sensor plugs to the board. Next, secure the battery plug. Next, place and secure the board bracket by adding 7 screws. Next, from the top, gently slide the mid-frame body to the housing and then to the bottom. Next, gently press to fasten the clips on the body with the housing. Next, insert the SIM tray. Next, secure 9 screws on the mid-frame plate. Next, place and connect the LCD screen plug and then the connector bracket. Next, turn on the device for testing. Next, before installing the LCD screen, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided LCD adhesive. To secure the screen, gently slide in the screen from the bottom and then to the top. Slightly apply pressure on screen edges. Finally, we add in binding clips to fasten the LCD screen. Leave it for some time and remove it. If not, use some rubber bands to tie the screen to the body. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.